Welcome to Native Beans. In today's video we will see how to display animated images or GIFs. Let's get started. First thing we need is to find our GIF. This is the page of tenor.com. Observe how refined Homer is, what a life. We will save our image to our computer. Later we will create a new document from the image. The image must be saved inside a document folder. Notice that the option to create a constant for that document is selected. Let's copy the name of the constant, or at least the part that we can select. Let's create a new interface to be able to do our exercise. Today I will teach you 3 different ways to display your GIF. The first step is to use an image field. And inside the images property, we use an image from a document. Let's set the value using the constant. The key is to set the isThumbnail property to true. The only bad thing is that Appian puts a frame around the GIF, which rules it out for certain scenarios like using a very small icon. Let's copy this entire block since all the options have a similar structure. Let's replace this part with a web image. Let's return to the original page and copy the link of the image. To identify the correct link, make sure it ends with a .gif. Let's replace the source of the image with the URL that we just copied. Let's set the isThumbnail property to false to remove the frame. The third option is similar to the second one. The difference is that we will use the URL of our own Appian environment in order to access the image. We do this by setting our domain, port, if necessary, suite, doc, and the identifier of our document, using the constant casted to integer. The third option is very useful when you don't want to depend on external resources, or consuming external URLs is not allowed. I hope this video was useful. Do not forget to subscribe. This was Native Beans, see ya.